Hello everyone, this is an interesting question which I found which is related to the exponents. Let's see how we solve this here. Okay, so yeah. Here we solve the question on the right side. Okay, and you see the question on the left, which is this is a question and these are the options they have given us. Okay, let's solve it. Let's write down the question first, which is this. Yeah. So the question is, the question is 1/3 of 15 to the power of 27. Yeah, so which of the options, you see the options here, which of these 4 options is equivalent to this? For that, what we'll do, we'll first solve this part and we'll try to match up with one of these. Let's get started here. Let's solve only this part first. Okay. Can you write this part as 3 times 5 to the power 27? Because you should be knowing the exponent law as if it is a times b to the power of n, it can be written as a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Yeah. So by applying this law, we can write 15 to the power of 27 as 3 times 5 to the power of 27. This can be rewritten as further 3 to the power of 27 times 5 to the power of 27. Yes? Okay. So when you say 1/3 of means always multiplication in mathematics. 1/3 of 3 to the power of 27 times 5 to the power of 27. So let me explain this again. What we did is in this step is that we rewrote this statement. 1/3 as 1/3 of means multiplication, and this part will be replaced by this part. Okay, so I just rewrote it here. Now, if you focus only on this part, this can be rewrite this as 3 to the power of 27 over 3, and remaining as it is 5 to the power of 27. Yeah. Now, if you focus only on this part, you know that if it is a to the power of n over b to the power of n, this we can, but if it is a to the power of n over a to the power of n, this can be always rewritten as a to the power of n minus n. So by applying the same law of exponent to this, where we'll be subtracting the exponents when the base is same, we can rewrite that as 3 to the power of 27 minus 1 times 5 to the power of 27. Correct? It is minus 1 because whenever there is no power returned to 3, it always carries a power of 1. So I just applied this exponent law here to this part, and I rewrote that. So this can be further written as 3 to the power of 26, times 5 to the power of 27. This is what we got after solving. But is any of the option is matching with this? Yeah, none of them. See, 527 D option is having this part but not this. This is having 3 to the power of now 9, but this is 26, and this is not at all matching. Say if we can rewrite this part as option A. Yeah, so here, can we rewrite 3 to the power of 26 as 5 to the power of 26 as 5 to the power of 1? Can we rewrite like this? Yeah, so 5 to the power of 1 is nothing but 5, and this part, if you focus here, can be rewritten as 15 to the power of 26. Yes, we have just done the reverse of this. Okay, when they were separate, we wrote them together here. Okay, so a to the power of m times b to the power of m can be written as into the bracket a times b to the power of m. So this part I wrote is, And now you can see that this part is matching with option A. So option A should be your correct answer. Am I correct? Yeah. So yes, this part is matching with option A, which is here. So option A is the correct answer. Alright, I hope you understood this. And again, I'll come back with more questions, more interesting questions. Okay, keep visiting. Thank you.